Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stock screener on TradingView. First, navigate to the Stock Screener tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen or in the Products menu. This powerful tool allows you to filter through thousands of stocks based on criteria you define. Select your desired market, like the United States, and then choose specific exchanges such as NASDAQ or NYSE to narrow down your initial search pool. This foundational step is crucial for effective stock analysis. Now, let's customize your filters to find stocks that meet your specific investment strategy. You can add a wide range of fundamental filters, such as market capitalization or earnings per share, and technical filters like moving averages or RSI. Set precise criteria. For example, filter for stocks with a price above $20 or a daily volume exceeding 1 million shares. Combining multiple filters helps you pinpoint exactly what you are looking for, making your search highly efficient. Once you have configured your ideal set of filters, it is essential to save your custom screener. This allows you to quickly access your preferred settings without having to re-enter them every time. You can also export the results to a spreadsheet for more in-depth analysis outside of TradingView. Regularly review the stocks that appear in your screener to identify potential trading opportunities or long-term investments. This systematic approach helps maintain consistency in your market research. To take your screening to the next level, explore advanced filters, including custom indicators you may have developed or specific chart patterns. You can also utilize different timeframes from daily to weekly to find opportunities that align with various trading strategies. Remember, a well-tuned screener saves time and highlights potential investments efficiently. For an effortless home upgrade, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying convenience. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals to enhance your daily life. Happy screening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.